Google Ads is the advertising platform for the world's most commonly used search engine, Google. It is also one of the most effective advertising levers on the web. Did you know that 65% of users click on Google Adverts when they want to make a purchase? So, basically, if you advertise your products there, it is very likely that those clicks quickly turn into sales. This is why it is mandatory for brands and online retailers to get the best ranking on Google Serps so they reach a wider audience and therefore increase their sales thanks to Google. But there is only a catch. If you want to achieve this outcome, you need to use Lengow's product ad solutions, which help you focus on your target audience thanks to pre-configured feeds adapted to Google's different functions, optimize your product ads across all of Google's channels, and so much more. So, in order to have a better overview of how Lengow helps sellers increase their brand recognition and improve engagement with Google Ads, we have created a new blog article. Have a look for yourself and start taking your Google Ads campaigns to the next level.